Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna play Steal a Brainrot for a bit. I'm gonna join one of my friends. Friends is a private server because if you guys have a private server, add me. I'll send it in the comments, my username. Maybe. But when I please install my Brainrot if I join you. If you guys want to trade any of these Brainrots, it's okay. But it's gonna be a rich Brainrot if you want to trade the Scrapers Medusi that makes 1.2 million. So there's this new thing, the Sharp Admin Machine, and I will make that a video of that when it's done. See how much luck that is, and I get an admin lucky block. I don't know why. Every time it's a admin block. Last time I got a lost Toki blocks, Toki blocks, Toko lucky blocks. That's why I have this one. Los Cianis. And I got this too. Oh no, I got this. This one. No. I got this one, and this one. And finally, this one. Just from this rainbow lock. This lock. But, guys, we're gonna stop the video here, and I will see you guys if there's next event in this done. If this is done, I will see you guys.